Hello and welcome to another edition of ProtoMet Tries, and in today's video I'm going to be trying Drake's Devil Dogs, which are apparently 100 years old this year, I guess. I've never heard of Drake's, let alone Devil Dogs. I'm going to assume that they're maybe like a knockoff brand of like Hostess or something. Because I'm looking at some of the other ones that they've got. They've got like Yodels, which just look like Ding Dong. Or no. Ring Dings, which look like Ding Dongs. Yodels, which look like Swiss Rolls. They get Boston Cream Yodels, which I think just look like vanilla Swiss rolls covered in chocolate. But we're doing Devil Dogs. Held that upside down. We're doing Devil Dogs. So again, I've never heard of Drake's. Apparently they've been around since 1896, but first time I'm hearing about them. Maybe I've just never seen them. Maybe it's a regional thing or something. It definitely feels soft. It's a bit spongy, but it's kind of like a sponge cake, so kind of to be expected. There we go. I'll get that later. Here's what it looks like. We got two soft buns around some cream filling. Let's give it a taste. Chocolatey. Cream's fine. It's a bit of a smooth cream. I would have preferred a bit of a grittier cream, but that's a whole texture thing. It tastes fine. Yeah, I have it again. Kind of have to since there are like 8 of these in a box. But yeah, it's a real simple chocolate cake buns surrounding a cream filling. It's simple, but effective. Yeah. Give Drake's Devil Dogs a shot. Until next time, I'm ProtoMet. See ya.